FIBO day 1. Our day started great because I forgot to set my alarm clock at the right time, so I was an hour late. And after that we hit a big stone that was in the street, so we thought that the whole car would be totally messed up, but it was just the tires, fortunately and unfortunately, because yeah, shitty day. We will be there in 10 minutes and then I will go to ProTan to get my appointment for the tanning. As Sammy has never done a tanning before, I thought that I will spoil myself with a tanning from ProTan. After that we will go to see some stars like Buff Bunny, Larissa Rice, Markus Rühl, Jay Cutler, Phil Heath and so on, and I will also try to shop everything. Everything.
First nigga gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Fall so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that those shit phase. And that's to go 0 for 82 when I look at you like this shit crazy. Fall so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even supposed to be here. Fall so hard, it's only right that we be fair.
FIBO! So many people here, and I need to pee. First thing I will see is the toilets. Huh?
First things first.
First things first. Going to check in, and then also seeing my coach to check the form, and then off we go. First layer of tanning at ProTan, so I will also do a before and after thing. I'm now going to ProTan up there, getting my first layer of tanning, and then see you afterwards, a little bit brown. We are back here in the car, finally done at the FIBO day 1. It was awesome, we saw all the stars we wanted to see. Larissa Rice, Markus Rühl, Buff Bunny aka Heidi Somers. Who else? Sophie Avonbrick. I bought so many things from Oat King, Jim Queen, some protein bars, oat snacks, shakers because you can never have enough shakers. And tomorrow after the competition I will be on the look for clothes and other gym stuff that I maybe need or maybe not, but I will buy them anyway. Now we are on our way to the hotel, unpack some things and then just relax, eat and sleep. We just arrived at the hotel, we did the check-in, we'll show you our room. Very big room, big bed, a desk, mirror so I can practice my posing for tomorrow. Even a little couch, TV. The view is not the best, but it's okay. We're just staying here for one night, so it's okay. Bed, desk. Let's check out the bathroom. Big mirror. Perfect to put on my makeup. And shower I won't use because I already got my tan. Yeah. Now it's time to relax, just unpack some stuff, eat in an hour or so, and then my last meal at around 9 or 10 o'clock, and then I will start carb loading. Yeah, and sleep. So now I have to put on this new cover set because I don't want to mess this up with my tanning. And I hate putting on new sheets.